Good evening, everyone. I'm Major Garrett in Washington. A presidential election that had largely been a referendum on President Trump and, in particular, his handling of the COVID crisis has suddenly become something much, much more. A fierce fight over the future of the Supreme Court following the death, Friday, of Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. And tonight, a reminder as a nation we are confronted with many losses. Bells tolled at the National Cathedral here in the Capitol for those Americans killed by the virus, and by some counts, that number now tops 200,000. And again today, mourners visited the Supreme Court, where the grounds around that building have bloomed into a memorial honoring Justice Ginsburg. Tonight, President Trump is pushing fast to name a successor, as furious Democrats plot their Senate moves. Paula Reid at the White House starts us off.
Good evening, Major. This Supreme Court vacancy has given the president an opportunity to reframe the 2020 election, shifting the focus from his handling of COVID to the court. And it has certainly energized his supporters. They even have a new chant, "Fill the seat." But Democrats and even some Republicans are saying not so fast.
The bitter partisan battle has begun over the replacement of Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
There's so much at stake. The right to health care, clean air, clean water, the environment, equal pay for equal work.
Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden Sunday insisted whoever wins in November should get to appoint the new justice.
If I win this election, President Trump's nominee should be withdrawn.
Biden says he would nominate a black woman, but will not release a list of potential nominees.
Anyone put on a list like that under these circumstances will be subject to unrelenting political attacks.
Just hours earlier, Mr. Trump's supporters had turned Ginsburg's death into a rallying cry.
Well, I hope they hear, so the chant, this is a new one, "Fill that seat."
The president even weighed in on a few favorites. Judge Amy Coney Barrett, currently sitting on the Seventh Circuit Court of Appeals, is considered a frontrunner.
She's very highly respected, I can say that.
But Judge Barbara Lagoa, currently on the 11th Circuit, is also a top contender.
She's an extraordinary person. I've heard incredible things about her. I don't know her. She's Hispanic and highly respected.
CBS News has learned that over the next few days, the president will continue to confer with his top advisors, his vice president, chief of staff, White House counsel, even his son-in-law, Jared Kushner, about this nomination. And the president is expected to announce his pick sometime this week. Major.
Paula Reid at the White House. Thank you.